Hi, my name is Mark from Dynamic Sport Physio. Today, I want to show you an advanced technique that I use to roll out the upper back. So this technique is for the people who's been doing rolling of the upper back for a while already. So I'm making sure you don't jump into this one. If you first start, refer to our beginners foam rolling exercise for the upper back first. So if you've been doing this for a while and you're looking for a way to further increase the intensity of the stretch in your upper back, this is what you do. Grab onto your foam roller and assume the normal position first, as if you're going to roll out the upper back in the beginner stance. So let's have a lie down onto the foam roller with the foam roller into the upper back, and our arms are behind the head. Now to start the movement, we start by lifting the hips first, and you'll find that we want to lower the arms down towards the floor. So keep lifting the hips until your arms are down onto the floor, and keep lifting until your shoulders are down onto the floor. Now once you're resting fully onto the floor there, so you might have to adjust your legs to walk around until you're all the way down onto the floor in the rested position, then we're ready to start. Depressing the hips down towards the floor to get the stretch. So our aim is to breathe in, to relax a little bit, and breathing out, let's get the hips to drop down towards the floor. There you should feel a very intense stretch right into the upper back junction. So making sure you're doing it nice and slowly. And breathing out to go down. So each time we breathe out to go down, we hold for about 10-15 seconds to maximize its effects. And the whole thing we go for 2 minutes. So every variation from here, you can also try legs going out to one side and dipping one buttock cheek down onto the floor. And the reverse side, turning over to the other side and getting the hip down onto the floor to get the effect. So each time 10-15 seconds. When you're ready to come out of this position, what we want to do is lift and then push the roller all the way down and resting down onto the floor. So we're not going to do a sit-up because of the risk of straining the back. So to recap, we have 3 tips when you're doing this exercise. Number 1 tip is to make sure you go through the entire movement nice and slowly. So if you're going slow, there's a lot less risk of straining your back. Number 2 is to breathe throughout the movement. Don't forget you're breathing in to lift and breathing out to dip your hips down towards the floor. And the last tip for you is to get out of the position nice and slowly by lifting the hips, push the roller down, and then lower the body down onto the floor instead of doing a sit-up to come back up. So here you go, an advanced version of doing upper back stretching with a foam roller. So until next time, goodbye.